Hey everyone, this is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell their homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, I'd love to help you find the property of your dreams. Give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. I want to talk to you today about strategies for selling your home. Now, one of the things that often gets overlooked when you're interviewing a real estate professional or when you're making that transition, when you're thinking as a homeowner and transitioning to what is it like to actually buy the house? This is my home, this is where I grew up, this is where my kids grew up, etc. You need to actually kind of divorce that mentality and think of it objectively as how does someone looking at your home on Zillow or Redfin think about it? And one of the things that no one really thinks about are photos. Now, granted, every real estate professional is going to tell you, oh, we have the best photographer. We're going to, do drones, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But really, let's talk about the mechanics of that. Your home, should tell a story when someone's looking at it, when they're thinking about buying it. There is a difference between an encyclopedia and a story. You know, I've seen homes when I'm looking at it with my clients, there's 90 photos. No one's going to look at 90 photos. Let's think about 20, 25 max. And the idea behind this is that you should think about it from the buyer's perspective. There should be a photo in the front, the back, blah, 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 blah. But think about it from the story point. They're walking in, they're seeing the home, curb appeal. All right, now they're going through the front door. Now they're seeing the kitchen, the living room, the dining room, the beds, the backyard. I sell homes typically on the waterfront. So there's water, there's the ocean, there's the canal, etc. That's it. Tell the story in as few photos as possible. And I think personally, this could be done between 20 and 25 photos. If the real estate agent you're talking to, it says, oh yeah, we're going to take tons of photos. We'll put 100 photos up. Everyone's going to see every little inch of the house. That's overwhelming. Think about it. Like when we're looking at phones to buy, we're choosing between maybe a Samsung and an iPhone. When we're choosing between that phone, it's big or small. When we're choosing the specific phone, it's all right, black or white, pink or blue. Like we're not looking at 90. That's too many. That's overwhelming to the potential owner, the potential buyer, really. You want to make this a simple story for them to follow, get, oh, I like that kitchen. Rooms look nice. Look at that view. That's it. It doesn't need to be an Encyclopedia Britannica of your home. So when you're interviewing your real estate agent, talk about the strategy, talk about what they've done, show them their ask for their previous listings. Let me see what you've done before. Oh, you put 100 photos up. There's no strategy. Everything about this process is complex, intricate, and honestly, it's convoluted. To that point, for the buyer, the person you're looking to hopefully, sell your home to, you want to give them the seamless experience at every step of the way. And in this phase, photography, it shouldn't be overlooked. It's not just about taking photos. It's about telling a story. And the professional you're dealing with should tell a story. And if they just don't have zero idea, oh, I just take pictures, I use my own phone. That's not the person you want to talk to. Not at this price point, not at this location, not for the person you hope to pay the top dollar for your home. Let's have this conversation. I have these ideas. I'm sure you do as well. And if you're not getting the great feedback from the person you're interviewing, that probably isn't the person you want to deal with. Give me a call. Let's talk about it. 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.